Okay, as you can see, this cabbage has really picked up since it got watered. This one still has a little burnt on it from exposure to the sun and being stressed, but the white will grow around it and we'll be fine. Still got to pick some more lettuce there. As you can see, we got other seeds getting ready to come up. So it's gonna be time to plant some lettuce again soon, quickly. The basil's got flowers going. The spearmint peppermint's got runners shooting. The strawberries got runners shooting to make new plants. And I got spinach. Gotta plant this on a day off. It's supposed to rain. As you can see, we got blueberries growing. The tomatoes that was growing from seed, sliced and put into the dirt. Now these babies are staying too small because they're not put into the ground yet. And as you can see, the gingerbread does not come up yet. We got some little seeds growing. I think that's the stevia. We got some seeds growing there. Some take a while to germinate. Some do quite well. And then we'll just give it time. You don't want to put something else in there then have ruined something. So you just want to give it time. As you can see, these didn't do too good transplanting. We had to water via the sprinkler system. And as you can see, we did a lot of watering because it's supposed to be really, really hot today. Really hot. And I was hoping to only take one day off this week from work, but it looks like I'm gonna have to take at least two because I need to do some serious work in the garden. Gotta get rid of all this grass. And as you can see, I'm gonna probably start harvesting some things here because the peppers are getting to be too big. And just a lot of things need to be taken care of. This needs to be cut away. The vegetation needs to be killed. It's getting too much around my plants. These bigger bushes, they're not good for my dog. So as you can see, there's work. You gotta put the work into it. Look at all those peppers. I mean, look at all those peppers right there. Those have to be harvested. Now, you can let them grow. If you're gonna grow after seeds, it makes no difference. You can let them grow. I'll talk to my spouse and find out what's the plan. Is the bell peppers growing good? The banana peppers are growing good. Remember, since you have hot peppers interspersed with all this, to wear gloves. Because you touch those ghost peppers with your bare hand, you're gonna wish you hadn't. Look at those Roma tomatoes starting to form. You can have a strawberry there. Now these strawberries growing around the buckets, they were a good idea. You're gonna have to start propping these things up, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. There's several ways you can do it. Several ways. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be a little bit of fun. And the beans are just growing. Spiders decided to make a little nest up there. We'll take care of him. You don't want that on your plants. Then, as you can see, we have a tomato again. Tomatoes are starting to ripen on the plants that we planted early. And the seeds in it. Watch out for your worms. They're going to be starting to grow. So we'll have to get a black light out here to show you, and that way you can see it. And then we'll go from there. I mean, just look at this. This is just tremendous. But again, I have work to do. See all that? Those need to be removed out of this. This is a patio. Well, it used to be a patio, but this needs to be cut down, gotten rid of before they go to seed. So I'll be doing that here shortly. So everything got watered real good. It's supposed to be very scorching hot this week. And we want to try to keep the plants from being distressed. The potatoes doing good, as you can tell. So everything's doing good. This horseradish is loving it. I was wondering about that. So we're doing good here. I would say that the 5-gallon buckets are a success so far. Most of the time. We had a couple of small problems with a couple of plants, but other than that, it looks to be quite well done. We'll need to go back to what kind of soil is the best as we've marked them, so we can find out. The bok choy is doing really good. Beets doing real good in this. So we're gonna find out, we're gonna take a look. Bok choy, potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. They're all doing good. So we'll find out. This is the crop walk for today. Stay tuned. There'll be some work done this week. We're in the high 90s today. Well, mid 90s this week. So there's going to be some things that are going to be different. We're going to have to do a lot of watering. A lot of watering. So that's where we are today. You have to get rid of these weeds, and we're going to be fighting pests. So stay tuned.